From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And good morning, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Simon Wachholz with your Tuesday morning forecast. Right now in State College, it's pretty cloudy with a current temperature of 27 degrees. We do have some snow moving through, so that dropped a quick coating already, and we could get some more snow during the day today. Taking a look at our winter weather headlines, though, of course, main story is that snow today. Followed by that, we have a cold front moving through that'll bring near record cold for Wednesday into Thursday, and more seasonable temperatures will be returning to the area by this weekend. Speaking of temperatures, taking a look at our regional temperatures, right now mostly in the 20s across most of central Pennsylvania. However, notice in Indiana it is rising up to around 34 degrees, so that's slightly above freezing. Could see some mixing issues mainly across southwestern Pennsylvania this morning. And again, looking at those recent regional temperatures across Pennsylvania, again, mostly in the 20s, mostly below freezing, which will support for at least some snow across all areas of the Commonwealth today. And as you can see, we do have that light snow moving through across eastern Pennsylvania. And again, with that cold front moving through, there is a band of heavier precipitation and snow that's affecting the State College area right about now. And moving into our future conditions, again, we do have that final band of snow pushing through, should be moving through State College by about 1 p.m. and just as that's starting to intensify across the eastern half of the state. By 6 p.m. this evening, that snow really does intensify across the eastern third of the state, although we do have some mixing issues possible, especially across Philadelphia, which should keep accumulations down slightly there. And then by 11:30 p.m. tonight, that snow should be moving out of the area with clearing conditions across most of western Pennsylvania tonight. However, those clear conditions won't last for too much longer. We do have a chance for some snow showers and snow squalls, mainly across the western half of the state early tomorrow morning as that cold Arctic air begins to filter in. Those snow squalls will be moving pretty quick through the day Wednesday, which should limit the accumulations. However, those strong winds are certainly going to make it feel much colder starting Wednesday afternoon. Overall, our snowfall forecast, mostly 1 to 3 inches expected across a good part of the state, including Allentown, Harrisburg, up into State College, and slightly less accumulations down in southwest Pennsylvania and southeastern Pennsylvania, where those rain will be mixing in, could be decreasing accumulations slightly. Although the bullseye of this storm does look to be to our northeast, 3 to 6 inches of snow possible in most of northeast Pennsylvania, and I wouldn't be surprised if some of the higher elevations of the Poconos end up getting a couple inches more than even 6 inches there. Once that snow moves through, however, the main story will be those Arctic temperatures. It'll feel like by Wednesday afternoon, negative 20 degrees in State College, and again, negative 32 in Bradford, negative 20s across most of western Pennsylvania. Even in eastern Pennsylvania, not quite as cold, although still negative 1 in Allentown, negative 6 in Harrisburg. Certainly nothing too warm in eastern Pennsylvania either. And these cold temperatures will continue overnight Wednesday into early Thursday morning, still feeling like around negative 20 in State College, negative 20s across most of western Pennsylvania, and even negative teens down into Harrisburg and Scranton, Pennsylvania. Looking at our State College official forecasts for today, getting up to around 30 degrees here in State College. Those highs are likely occurring in the early morning before that cold front moves through. And once that cold front moves through, precipitation should come to an end, although temperatures will be falling during the day today. And into tonight, we'll be getting down to around 7 degrees. It will be dry, although those winds 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the west will be making it feel even colder than the actual temperature is tonight. And then, of course, moving into tomorrow during the day, again, not getting much warmer, a high of only 8 degrees. So even though we had that low of around 7, temperatures won't be rising during the day. They'll probably actually be falling in the afternoon. And again, that chance of snow showers and snow squalls in State College and areas to the west could add a quick coating to an inch for areas tomorrow. And winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour will be making it feel, again, like negative 20 degrees across most of central Pennsylvania. And then lastly, zooming out to our 7-day forecast, again, look at those temperatures through Friday. Barely getting out of the single digits Wednesday into Thursday, 8 degrees both days, and even down into negative 7 possible Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. And again, we also have a low-high record possible in State College. The current low-high record is 12 degrees, and we're forecasting a high of 8 degrees. So certainly possible that we break that record by a few degrees. By Friday into the weekend, we are warming up each day. Teens in Friday, back into the 20s and even 30s over the weekend, even rising above freezing ahead of our next storm system early Monday morning that could bring another rain-snow mix to the area. And with that, I'm student meteorologist Simon Wachholz. Have a great day.